Hello everyone, my name is Sani Dange. Today I am going to explain the topic application of statistics in computer science. In this presentation, I will show how statistical technique helps in data analysis, decision making, machine learning algorithms, and improving the overall performance of computer systems. Now we going to the introduction of statistics. Statistics is the branch of mathematics used to collect, analyze, interpret, and present the data. In the computer science, statistics plays important role because computer works with a huge amount of data. Statistics helps us identify patterns, make predictions, and improve the accuracy. So why the statistic important in computer science? Statistic important in computer science for the understanding large data sets, making predictions and decisions, other etc. Now we are going to the first application, that is machine learning and AI. So the machine learning and artificial intelligence use statistics to find patterns in data. Algorithms like linear regression, classification, clustering, and neural networks are based on statistical concepts. Without statistics, machine cannot learn from past data or make predictions about the future. So the example we see the like speech recognition software that allows you to convert voice memos into text. Then we have advantages and disadvantages. Improve accuracy and precision is advantages. Disadvantages is data dependency, security, vulnerabilities, other many things. So the next point is that is data mining. We also called as data management and data analysis. In the data mining, statistics helps in discovering hidden patterns and relationships in big data sets. In the technique like correlation, probability, and hypothesis testing are used to extract useful information from huge amount of data. In the data mining and big data, advantages like helping the organization to gather authentic and correct information. It can be easily conducted to new plus existing platforms. The disadvantages of data mining is not always unerring, and certain cases can lead to repercussion. Next is a large database is required to go for mining, thus making the process hard. We also have the picture you can see. Okay, now we take the third application, that is natural language processing, that is NLP. So normally NLP helps to the human for understanding the computer language, making communication between humans and machines easy and faster and smarter. So the natural language processing is becoming key to gain insight and automate tasks like analyzing text or translating the languages. So advantages, we see the advantages like NLP offers exact answer to the question. It does not offers unnecessary and unwanted information. So we have advantages. So we also have the disadvantages of NLP. This is required to more keystrokes. NLP is unable to adapt to the new domain. So the next slide is present, my friend. We take.
Myself Aryan Gilbile, and now I am going to explain some slides. Fourth, computer vision. Computer vision can be defined as that branch of computer science dealing with the computer understanding of digital images, videos, and other forms of visual input. It enables machine to see and comprehend the world around them similarly to human being. In layman terms, computer vision lets machine recognize objects, trace their movement, and interrupt scenes. They are ultimately able to decide based on what their eyesight tell them. It includes different processes such as image processing, pattern recognition, and machine learning, algorithm analysis, visual data, detecting patterns, and making prediction. The aim of the technique is to allow machine to automatically interrupt and make decisions based on visual data. There are some application of computer vision. First, healthcare, used for disease detection and medical image analysis. Automotive, helps self-driving cars to detect object, lane keeping, and traffic sign recognition. Retail, it helps with inventory management, theft prevention, and customer behavior analysis. Agriculture, it is used for crop monitoring and disease detection. Security and surveillance, it recognizes faces and finds suspension activities in such scrutiny footage. Advantages of computer vision: process in a simpler and faster way. It allows the client and industries to check. Also, it gives them access to their product. It's possible thanks to the existence of computer vision in fast computer reliability. Computers and cameras don't have the human factor of tiredness which is eliminated in them. The efficiency is usually the same. It does not depend on the external factors such as illness or sentimental status. Disadvantages of computer vision: necessity of specialists. There is a huge necessity of specialists related to the field of machine learning and artificial intelligence. A professional that knows how those devices work and take full advantage of computer vision. Also, the person can repair them when necessary. There are a lot of work opportunities after doing a master in artificial intelligence. However, companies still wait for those specialists. Spoiling, eliminate the human factor may be good in some cases, but when the machine or device fails, it does not announce or anticipate that problem, whereas a human person can tell in advance when the person won't come. Fifth, algorithm performance analysis. Algorithm performance analysis is a study of how efficiently an algorithm runs, especially in terms of time complexity, space complexity, scalability, correctness, and reliability. Advantages of algorithm performance analysis: efficiency optimization helps identify the most time and space efficient algorithm for a given task, especially critical in large scale systems. Predictability enables developers to estimate how an algorithm will behave as input size grows, vital for scalability. Disadvantage of algorithm and performance analysis: theoretical versus practical gap. Big notation and other theoretical tools may not reflect real world performance due to hardware, compiler optimization, or input characteristics. Time counseling, deep analysis, especially empirical benchmarking, can be labor intensive and slow down development. Cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting digital devices, networks, and sensitive data from cyber threats such as hacking, malware, and phishing attacks. It involves a range of strategies technologies and best practices designed to safeguard computer networks and data from cyber attacks. Cybersecurity involves using specialized tools to detect and remove harmful software while also learning to identify and avoid online scams. Practicing good cybersecurity habits helps keep your data private and ensure a safe online experience. Advantages of cybersecurity: protection of sensitive data, business continuity. Disadvantages of cybersecurity: high cost of implementation and complexity and maintenance.
My name is Chaitanya Shinde and I am explaining some slides. Database query optimization. A query optimizer is a component in a database system that determines the most efficient way to execute a query by considering factors such as table statistics, access paths, and join strategies. If aim to minimize the time and resources required to retrieve the database. Techniques for query optimization: use indexes wisely. Create indexes on column used in where, join, order by, and group by. Avoid over-indexing if can. Show down in insert and update operations. Avoid select. Always specify only the columns you need. Reduce data transfer and memory uses. Use join efficiency. Prefer inner join over outer join when possible, ensuring join columns are indexed. Benefits and uses: queries optimizers offer numerous advantages such as improved performance, efficient resource utilizes. Network traffic analysis: it's the process of inspecting and interpreting data flows across a network to detect anomalies or threats, optimize performance, ensure complications and security, understand user behavior and application uses. This is done using tools that capture pockets, analyze flow data, monitor traffic in live. Benefits: early threats detection, improved network efficiency, better resource allocation, enhanced visibility and control. Challenges: high data volume can be overwhelming. Encryption limits visibility, requires skilled analyst and powerful tool. Bioinformatics is where biology meets data science. It's the art and science of using computational tools to understand complex biological systems. Its applications are vast and transformative across many fields. Here's a breakdown of the most impactful ones. Role of computer science in bioinformatics. Computer science provides the algorithm, data structure, and software tools needed to manage and analyze biological data. Key contributions include database design for storing genomic and proteomic data, algorithm development for sequence alignment, gene prediction and protein folding, machine learning models for disease classification and drug discovery, visualization tools for complex biological network. Some of the advantages of bioinformatics are: the first, computers analyze billions of DNA sequences within seconds, speed up medicine research, less need of expensive chemical experiments, cancer, debates, genetic disorders. And some of the disadvantages are: data quality issue, computational complexity, data privacy issue, requirement high skill expert, error in data lead to wrong predictions. Game development and simulation. Game development and simulation heavily rely on computer science principles, particularly in areas like programming, artificial intelligence, and real-time systems. Statistics plays a role in areas like player behavior modeling, game balancing, and analyzing player data to improve game design. Application of statistics in game development. Game development is the process of designing and programming game, while simulate creates virtual models of real life systems like flight simulators or traffic systems. They use statistics for game balancing, player behavior analysis, AI decisions, and realistic physics. Advantages are safe training, cost effective, interactive, and useful for learning. Disadvantages are high development cost, requires skilled developers, and may not be 100% accurate. So, thank you.